Collagen is the protein that gives skin its structure, suppleness, and stretch. As we age, we produce less collagen in our skin every year, hence, the tendency toward wrinkles and thinning skin we see the older we get. Since over-the-counter supplements are largely unregulated, it's probably safer to stick with a dietary approach to boosting collagen. So, watch this video carefully to know about the foods that help your body produce collagen. Before continuing the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. What are food sources of collagen? Bone broth. One popular source of collagen is found in bone broth. This is made by cooking chicken, beef, or other animal bones to extract the collagen and minerals. Gelatin. Gelatin is another source of collagen that many people purchase as a powder to add to smoothies or other meals to increase collagen intake. Fish and shellfish. Fish and shellfish have bones and ligaments made of collagen. Some people have claimed marine collagen is one of the most easily absorbed. Egg whites. Although eggs don't contain connective tissues like many other animal products, but egg whites do have large amounts of proline, one of the amino acids necessary for collagen production. Citrus. Use fresh citrus to get your collagen boost, which has high levels of vitamin C that assist collagen production. Nuts. Nuts contain zinc and copper, both of which boost the body's ability to create collagen. Do you like our videos? Please hit the like button and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming informative videos like this one. See you in the next video.